Welcome to the Tekla Structures Professional Course, a certified program designed to take you from 3D modeling to fabrication-ready detailing. You will master core skills like 3D steel modeling and RCC detailing to produce bill of materials and estimations, building a job-ready portfolio. The program overview emphasizes using Tekla for structural BIM. You will gain 3D modeling excellence, master connection detailing, practice BIM coordination, and generate fabrication documentation, making you industry-ready. Our learning pathway is a comprehensive, structured, 6-stage journey. It moves from foundation modules to steel and RCC detailing, advanced BIM, capstone projects, and finally, career readiness. Module 1, Structural Modeling Basics, is a 2-week beginner module focusing on modeling logic. You will cover BIM setup, grids and levels, modeling steel and concrete members, connection basics, and generating simple drawings. Module 2 is Steel Detailing, focusing on becoming fabrication ready. You will learn advanced connections, structural modeling for industrial sheds, drawing production, and generating accurate reports like BOM and material takeoffs. Module 3 specializes in RCC detailing. You will master reinforcement modeling, automated rebar detailing, bar bending schedule generation, and accurate quantity extraction for concrete and steel. Module 4 covers the advanced BIM workflow. This includes clash detection, multi-user collaboration, IFC coordination, automation through custom templates, and ensuring compliance with international detailing standards. The program culminates in capstone projects, demonstrating production-ready expertise. Projects include an industrial steel warehouse, a G+5 RCC residential tower, and complex steel connections, generating all necessary documentation. Key course deliverables include LOD 400 3D models, complete shop drawings, detailed reports like BOM and MTO, bar bending schedules, and digital fabrication files for CNC machines. Global demand for skilled Tekla professionals is growing. This course prepares you for high-demand roles such as Tekla Detailer, BIM Modeler, Structural BIM Engineer, and Fabrication Coordinator across various high-demand sectors. The career progression pathway outlines your growth potential, moving from a beginner to a structural modeler, detailer, BIM engineer, senior specialist, and ultimately a BIM manager with corresponding salary brackets. Transform your career from civil draftsman to professional structural BIM engineer. Enroll now for the next cohort starting March 15th, available online and hybrid, with 100% placement support.